There's many false sentiments out there about data science, and this is a huge problem. So I have collected what I think are my top 5 most important myths to understand the actual truth about data science. So sit back and relax, here's my top 5. A lot of people think that data scientists don't have to have the best programming skills, and although there's maybe a hint of truth to that, honestly, you will be writing code for the majority of the day, and so you have to be really good at this. And what I think a lot of people don't realize is that, yeah, some of the code is easy, like you'll import a linear regression, but a lot of the time that's not the code you're even writing, and these are some of the best skills that you can take to follow you wherever you may go. Hey, guess what? I don't have a master's, so that better be some pretty darn good proof that you don't need one. Will it help? Yes, most likely it'll be a great addition to your portfolio, and in some circumstances it may be listed as a requirement for some jobs. But this does come with the constraint of time and effort, and there's lots of other good ways you could be spicing up your portfolio instead of doing a master's. I know for a fact that there's a ton of you out there that don't want to learn deep learning either because A, it's scary, or B, because you don't think you have to, but it's time to face that fear because this is not some sort of bonus knowledge here. You've got to know this stuff. Luckily, in my opinion, deep learning is the coolest thing that exists. Actually, that's not true because I am the coolest thing that exists, but a very close second, and so you should not be afraid of learning this stuff. Even though it may be hard, I think it's just so fascinating, and so that's okay. Another secret for you, you are a data engineer. Sure, you might not be bringing in a pipeline to data scientists because you are one, but that doesn't mean that you're not going to have to use Spark because still, the data is often too big to fit into main memory. You're going to have to use Spark to handle the big data. You're going to have quite a few hiccups, and I hope that you do because that means you're really learning something, and that's great. But it's a pathway, and I think that you can just do it if you fight through all those problems. The hard part is actually just pushing through every single day, knowing that one day you are going to make it. Don't worry too much, just follow the pathway that I have down below. That might not get you a job immediately, but it is going to teach you all of the core concepts. Make sure to drop a like on this video if this helped you out, and subscribe if you're not, and I will see you in the next one, guys.